This will be the best prank any boy can pull off.
We have to go to the 6-hour meeting at the GNN World headquarters, because it's only 45 minutes away.
Good. The coast is clear. Now to make a fake tornado warning. Starting with activating the tornado sirens. Ha 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 ha. Now to fake.
So coming up next on GNN News, a trip for Ye special report.
National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Anderson County, Knox County, Morgan County, Rowan County until 9:45 p.m. At 9 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 5 miles northwest of Kingston. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Oak Ridge, Clinton, Knoxville, Oliver Springs, Dearmond, Carnes, Powell, Norris, and Halls. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing golf ball-size hail and destructive straight-line winds. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch, or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for southwest North Carolina, and East Tennessee and southwest Virginia.
Pulling and hitting my vocal cords feel me better.
Oh my goodness. Tornado. Dark Boomerang bro. What the heck are you doing here? Wait a minute. That was not me on that alert. It's not Nintendo 3DS Toad, it was you. Thanks a lot Dark Boomerang bro. Now the whole city is in a panic. You are in big trouble young man. I'm sorry everyone. But the tornado is over.
Dark Boomerang bro. How dare you make a fake tornado warning. Now 100 people has came twice because of you.
That's it. You are grounded until Valentine's Day. Now go to your room right now and never ever come out.